Okay, folks, so here we are. 2020, you can't find a helper. How are you going to install a panel by yourself? It's too heavy, and some of us are not 18 anymore, so we're going to hold it and try to screw it in. So we've created this. Now, we've got a couple of RV stabilizer jacks for slide outs. A couple of treated 1x4s. This is still in development stage, so it has not been sanded. You can pre-adjust your height, get it exactly where you want it. Take your level. Make sure it's nice and level exactly where you want it. A little bit of tilt back is okay. It's going to fall somewhere. We get our panel. This one's extra annoying because it's got a wire coming in the back. And there we go. If you walk away, the panel will stay right there, exactly where you placed it. Don't need a helper. Just save yourself a bunch of money per hour trying to wake them up at 6 o'clock in the morning. They stayed out too late. Panel where you want it. That's it. He's up. Take it out of the way. Put the rest of the screw here. Thanks for watching.